Hi everyone, I am Pragati. Welcome back to Pragati Progress Classes, which is your own channel. And today I am going to discuss with you how to make conversation interesting and how will you become cool in English conversation. So, you must have seen some people surrounded by many people for conversation. Why? Because he know how to make a conversation interesting and he know how to conversation very well. So there are two types of questions, and first closed type of question and second open type of question. In open type of question, if you ask to anyone about something, then he give answer yes or no. Like this question, do you go to market? Do you go to school? Do you get up at 6 o'clock? Then he will give answer yes or no. This is a open type question, and this type of question make a conversation too short. And if you make a conversation interesting, you have to ask the question in closed type. In these days, you pay attention too much on your fitness. How will you get up early in the morning? In this day, you have to pay too much attention for jogging and walking. So if you ask this type question, people become very happy and give an answer very interesting. And in this time you will listen these you will listen answers very attentively. Then he think this person is very lovely person and interesting person, because I'll give answer, he give attention uh, too much. And in open type question, uh, people only asked a very short question and give a answer yes or no. And some people only speak about himself, and he doesn't take any interest to listen to other, and he only speak about himself, about his routine, about his friend, about his relatives, and so much you speak. Then people don't take interest. And also some people speak irritating and uh, very irritating and not sweet questions like this a closed question. Then people leave him, and this type of people live completely alone because nobody like him and nobody like to conversation with him, because he know if he speak, then he only speak bitterly, and nobody wants to do conversation bitterly. Everyone think if he will speak anybody, then he speak sweetly and he get refreshed. So thank you so much.